Good morning, students. Yes, friends, as you know, we're doing fourth unit, that is integers, and we're doing exercise 4.4. This is our last exercise. So, students, exercise 4.4, first and second question we already discussed in previous lecture. So now I'm starting from third question. Exercise 4.4 and third question. Yes, friends, in third question, we have two parts. So first, exercise 4.4, first part. Now your statement is find the value of of 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 plus minus 2, 8 minus 6 plus minus 2 minus 3, minus 3 plus 1. Now find the value of 8 minus 6 plus minus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Yes, friends, in first step, we'll solve these double signs, plus minus, minus minus. So we write as 8 minus 6 plus minus 2 minus plus 3 plus 1. Clear, students? Now, again, first step to solve this underline. Next step, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 6, 2. And check whether 2 is positive or negative. We have two numbers. First positive, second negative. 8 is positive and 6 is negative. And now compare these two numbers. Greater number is 8 with the positive sign. So our answer is plus 2. When we solve 8 minus 6, 6 we get 2. The next statement as it is minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Now next, 2 minus 2. Next step, 2 minus 2, 0 plus 3 plus 1. Now all positive integers, 3 plus 1 is 4. So your answer is 4. Clear, students? So this is the first part of question number 1. Next is third question, second part. Thirty-one. Now find the value of 31 plus minus 23. 31 plus minus 23 minus 35 plus 18 minus 4 minus 3. The statement is find the value of 31 plus minus 23 minus 35 plus 18 minus 40 minus 4, then minus 3. Yes, friends, first we solve these two signs, plus minus and minus. Let's write as 31 plus minus 23. minus 35 plus 18 minus 4 minus plus 3. So first we solve this part. 31 minus 23. 31 minus. Yes, students, 31 minus 23 is 31 minus 23 is 8. 8 minus 35 plus 18 minus 4 plus 3. Now in next step, 8 minus 35. 8 is positive and minus 35 is negative. Now plus minus and 35 minus 8 is 27. 27. Now check, is 27 positive or negative? This number is positive plus minus. Now compare 8 and 35. Greater number is 35, negative sign. Greater number is with negative sign. So we have minus 27. Minus 27 plus 18 minus 4 plus 3. Next is minus 27 plus 18. Minus 27 plus 18. Minus plus 27 minus 18 is 9. 27 minus 18 is 9. Now compare 27 and 18. 27, 18. Greater number is 27. Greater number is 27 with negative sign. So we have minus 9. Minus 9. Then minus 4 plus 3. Now solve this part. Minus 9 minus 4. Minus plus 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. Now 9 and 4, compare these two numbers. Greater number is 9 with a negative sign. So we have minus 13 plus 3. Now again minus plus 13 minus 3 is 10. Now check whether 10 is positive or negative. 13, 3. Greater number is 13 with negative sign. So our answer is minus 10. Clear, students? So this is second part of question number 3, exercise 4.4. Clear, students? Next is last question of this exercise unit. Rashmi deposit rupees 4,370 in her account on Monday. Then he withdrew rupees 2,875 on Tuesday. Then next day again she deposited rupees 1,550. Now what was her balance on Thursday? Yes, friends, Monday he deposited 4,370 rupees. And on Tuesday, he withdrew rupees 2,875. Again on Thursday, he deposited rupees 1,550. Now find the balance in her account on Thursday. For this, students, first we'll write these amounts as yes, friends. The amount which we deposit will take as a positive number. The amount which we deposit will take as a positive number, and amount which withdraw will take as a negative number. So write rupees 4,070, rupees 4,370. First he deposited, then he withdrew rupees, minus withdrew means minus negative 2,875. Again he deposit, then plus rupees 1,500. Now students, so first thing he deposit rupees 4,370, and the next thing he withdraw rupees 2,875. Again next day he again deposit rupees 1,550. Now check the balance in her account. Now first we solve this part. Rupees 4,370 minus 2,875. Now in the side 4,4370 minus 2,875. Now 10 minus 5, 5. Here we have 6. 16 minus 7 is 9. Here we have 2. 12 minus 8, 4. And the 3 minus 2 is 1. Here we have rupees 1,495. Now add rupees 1,500. Now again add 1,550. 0. 9 plus 5, 4, 1. So balance is rupees 3,045. So balance on first day is rupees 3,045. Dear students, so this is last question of this exercise. Dear students, so students, today your homework is complete exercise 4.4 in your notebooks. Now we'll start next unit, that is unit 5, basic geometrical concepts, unit 5. So we'll discuss all main points of this unit. Yes, this is unit 5. Topic is first point which we discuss is point. First point in this unit, the first point which we'll discuss is point. So what is point? Yes, friends, with a sharp pencil, if we draw a dot with this is known as a point. This is known as point. A point means our location. A point tell us the exact location of any number. For example, we have a line segment and we take point A on this. So point tells us the exact position of A. In geometry, a point tells us the exact position or location of any number. It has a point has no length, no width, or no thickness. Just tell us the location of a point, of a number. Yes, friends. Next is line. What is line? Yes, friends, with the help of pencil and scale, if we draw a simple, this is known as line. A line has length only. It has no width or thickness. So basically, students, a line can be extended on both of sides. A line can be extended on both of sides. So we can't measure the length of a line with the help of scale. Clear? So because line is extended on both of sides, on left hand side and on right hand side. So we can't measure a line with the help of scale. A line has no endpoints. A line has no endpoints because it can be extended both of sides, and we can't draw a line on a paper because length of a line is unlimited. Yes, friends. Next point is plane. Yes, friends. What is plane? A smooth surface of your notebook, a tabletop, and the surface of a blackboard is known as plane. A plane has length or width, but it has no thickness. Yes, friends. On plane, we can draw figures, triangle, rectangle, square, etc. The figures which we draw on a plane are known as plane figures. Yes, friends. So basically, what is plane? A smooth surface of any object. For example, your notebook, your tabletop, or a surface of a blackboard. These all are planes. Next is line segment. Line segment. Yes, friends. What is a line segment? If we draw a line or with the help of scale, we draw a line 5 centimeter. For example, we draw any line with length 5 centimeter with the help of scale. Then this is known as line segment. Yes, friends, a line segment has initial point and end point. So basically, a line segment has 2 endpoints, but in a line, we don't have any endpoint in line. But in line segment, we have 2 endpoints. First is initial point, second is end point. And a line segment has a definite length. We can measure a line segment with the help of scale. But we can't measure a line because the length of a line is unlimited, but length of line segment is limited. it can be measured. So this is the difference between line and line segment. A line has no endpoint, but a line segment has two endpoints. We can't measure line, but we can. But a line segment has a fixed length, and we can measure. Clear, students? Yes, friends. Again, if two lines are meet at a point, for example, these are two line segments. This is A, B, B, C. Intersecting means they are touching each other at point O. So this point is known as intersecting point. For example, two line segments. First is A and B, C. A, B, and B, C intersecting at point B. Basically, where a point where two line segments touch each other. This point is known as intersecting point. Yes, next is array. Next point is array. Yes, friends. Array has initial point, but it don't have end point. For example, with the help of scale, take a point. This is the initial point, and draw a line with endless length. This is known as array. Array can be extended only in one direction. This is the initial point, and array don't have end point. So basically, we can extend array only in one direction. A line can be extended both of directions. A line segment cannot be extended, but array is extended in one direction. Yes, students? Array has initial point, but it don't have end point. Yes, students? Now we'll discuss properties of point and line in a plane. Now we'll discuss few more properties of points and lines in a plane. Yes, students. First point is about lines and in a plane. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn passes through a given point. Your first point is an unlimited number of lines can be drawn passing through a given point. For example, students, we have a point. We have one point, and we can draw unlimited line segments through a point. Now, with the help of scale, draw line segments. First, second, like this, you can draw unlimited line segments through a point. So this is your first property. Your property is an unlimited number of lines. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn passing through a given point. It means if we have one point, we can draw unlimited lines through this point. But if we have 2 points, then how many lines can we draw? Only one. Only one. If we have 2 points, then we can draw only one line for these 2 points. Dear students, if you have a 1 point, you can draw unlimited lines. If you have 2 points, then we can draw only one line for these 2 points. Clear, students? Second is, there is exactly one line passing through 2 different given points in a plane. Third is, 2 different lines in a plane either intersect at a point or parallel. If we have 2 lines, there are 2 properties. Either they intersect. If they don't intersect, they are parallel. These are intersecting lines. When 2 lines meet at a point, then lines are intersecting points. If 2 lines don't meet each other and distance between them is equal, if 2 lines are not meet at any point and the distance between them is equal, then these lines are parallel lines. These lines are intersecting. And say A, B, C, D. Line segment A, B, C, D are intersecting at point O. And here A, B, this line is C, D line segment. Now write these lines are parallel lines. A, B, and C, D. Distance between them is equal. Then A, B, and C, D are parallel lines. Now write A, B is parallel to C, D. We write as A, B. This is the sign of parallel. C, D. It means A and C are, these are 2 parallel lines. Clear, students? Yes, students. Next, we discuss collinear and non-collinear points. Next point, if we discuss collinear and non-collinear points. Yes, friends. What are collinear points? 3 or more than 3 points in a plane are called collinear points if all of them lie on the same line. So students, what are collinear points? 3 or more than 3 points. 3 or more than 3 points in a plane are called collinear points if all of them lie on the same line. For example, students, for example, we have a line segment. On this line, we have point A, B, C, and D. All points lies on the same line. All points lies on the same line. So A, B, C, D. These are collinear points. So these points are known as collinear points. Collinear points. If 3 or more than 3 points lies on the same line, then these points are known as collinear points. Now, what are non-collinear points? non-collinear points. For example, we have a line segment, and here we have point A. This point is B. This point is C, and here we have D. Now, students, you can see point A, B, C, D. These 4 points are not lying on the same line segment. It means A, B, C, D. These are non-collinear points. So basically, if the points which are lies on the same line are known as collinear points, the points which are not lies on the same line is known as non-collinear points. Next is congruent lines. 3 or more than 3 lines are called congruent lines if all of them passes through the same point. Congruent lines, if 3 or more than 3 lines passes through the same point, then these lines are known as congruent lines. For example, this is a point, and this line is A, B, next is C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and these are few lines which you can see, students. All these lines A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All these 5 lines passes through and from one point, that is point O. So these lines are congruent lines. If 3 or more than 3 lines passes through the same point, then these lines are congruent lines. Now, non-congruent lines. Now, line A, B, next is C, D, E, and F. These lines are not passes through us one point. So these lines are non-congruent lines. Clear, students? So these are main points which you follow to do unit 5th, that is basic geometrical concepts. Yes, students. So students, today your homework is complete exercise 4.4 in your fair notebook and revise all these geometrical concepts, geometrical points which we discussed in this lecture. Clear, students? So your homework is complete exercise 4.4 in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.